Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best electric wood thicknesser planer. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best electric wood thicknesser planer. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. When looking to purchase an electric wood thicknesser planer, it's important to consider key factors that will ensure you get the best value and performance for your woodworking projects. An electric thicknesser planer helps achieve smooth, even surfaces and precise thickness for rough lumber, turning it into ready-to-use boards for your work. A more powerful motor means quicker and more efficient processing of tougher woods. Look for a planer with at least 1500 watts of motor power for optimal performance. The depth of cut is crucial for versatility. Most electric planers offer a maximum cutting depth between 0 and 3 mm, but higher-end models can handle deeper cuts. A larger feed table provides better support for longer pieces of wood and reduces the chances of uneven cutting at the ends of boards. Ensure the table is sturdy and long enough for your projects. Planers generate a lot of dust. Choose a model with an efficient dust extraction system or a dust bag to keep your workspace clean. Depending on your needs, consider the weight and build of the machine. Lighter models are easier to move, but heavier ones tend to be more durable and stable during operation. Popular brands like DeWalt, Makita, and Bosch offer reliable, high-quality options for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With the right features, an electric thicknesser planer can save you time and effort, producing smooth, uniform wood surfaces for all your woodworking projects. Thanks for watching the video.